Okay, this is the Connect tent screen room. Bought it at Walmart for $94. It's got 2 doors, plus all the covers come down for screen room, or you can put it in privacy. And you can see I've got it right up against the back of the trailer. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do the setup of the Connect tent that works with the Ozark Trail 10x10 pop-up. So the first step you want to do is hook up the 4 clips in the middle of the tent, and then hook up the next level of clips to the vertical poles on your tent. Next, go all around to all the 4 corners, hook the clips to the bottom leg of the canopy, tie in all the corners. Don't tie them too tight, as you can see it pulls the corners, and then clip all the black clips to any vertical or horizontal part of the frame, and then just tie everything down. And then before you're done, take one last walk around. At the front by the doors, you'll see these little black tabs. Those are to stake down the door area so that it's easier to unzip the doors. I found that by not doing that, it was a little bit tougher every time to unzip the main door. So make sure you use these black tabs at the bottom of the tent to securely tighten it down so the zipper works better. This is what it looks like before you extend the legs on your canopy. So as long as you have everything tied down, you should have no problem lifting it straight up. And this is what it looks like fully assembled with one of the vent windows down, or cover windows down. These on all 4 sides, covers can unzip to make a huge screen room, or if you zip them all back up, you have a nice perfect privacy tent area to put in a bathroom or just to not be seen. After setup is complete, you can roll down all the windows all around the trailer, or the tent, excuse me, or you can leave one wall up to block out the sun. Now, as you can see, it can also be held up by these little tabs right here in the middle of the shade, and that'll still allow you to have good breeze coming through. However, be aware that if you tie the corners too tight, as you can see, it tends to pull the corners a little too tight, and it makes it tough to zip up the sidewall zippers on both sides. So just be aware of that. So don't tie it down too tight on the outside, and you should be fine. I had to put my foot down on the plastic to get a more straighter zipper alignment, and then once that worked, it went straight in with no problem. So somebody asked if it was a narrow opening. If you see the edge shadow, that's the edge of my trailer to here. So to open the door to come across, after unzipping the door up against the trailer, as you can see that it does have enough room to gain access to the back door just by lifting the side curtain. I would recommend getting a little string to hold the door open so you can access your back door with no problem. However, be aware there will be a gap down below and above, as you can see, that will not keep the bugs out. Okay, so you have to be aware of that fact. Otherwise, you can just get a little piece of string and hold the door open using one of the little toggle clips up on top and hook it around the frame, and I think you'll be just fine just by putting it in that. And that will keep your access to your door with no problem. And I think it would keep out most bugs, but it won't be 100% bug free if you do it this way. And the only way what I found was, because of how the zipper was, I didn't want to pull it too tight. And as you can see, it only goes up so high. So you have to be aware of the limitations of this tent. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.